China's probably the place one always starts when one looks at emerging markets. Clearly, we've had a torrent of negative news flow over the past, it's not even 12 months anymore, it's probably more like 18 months. And the market's been particularly weak, despite the COVID reopening, which everyone had hoped would make things a little better. But the good news is that everybody is now talking so negatively on China, and the market is so oversold that actually there are opportunities there. We've been negative on China for a number of years. In the past, this was quite a popular market to own globally. And of course, you had a lot of internet stocks that were very highly valued. A lot of people were pouring money into China. It was a little bit like the India of today, where everyone wants to be invested. And so that's really changed. So really, from an investor perspective, we're less concerned about GDP. GDP isn't particularly correlated to long-term stock returns anyway. And we look much more at valuations, and those really are quite supportive. Alibaba there, which of course is in the news today again, is making this transformation from a very exciting growth stock that everyone wants to own to a true value company where you've got a quarter of the market cap in net cash, another quarter is the value of the cloud business, which they're spinning off. It's great to see a company like Alibaba looking at how it can generate shareholder value, how it can optimize its capital structure. And so this kind of, I think, mentality change from being a super growth company to being a rather more pedestrian, very profitable free cash flow generative company that's looking to generate shareholder value is something that we as value investors particularly like. So I think, the management changes we're seeing today are also reflections of the old guard that really enjoyed building the business, the excitement of high growth. They're all getting a little bit fed up because it is now quite a pedestrian, boring, very large business. It's a sort of giant sort of online Walmart, if you like,
yes,
in China. So we think there are opportunities in China thanks to valuations.